Hello, Messenger users. Are you wondering how to hide your story from specific accounts in Messenger? In this full guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Step 2. In the Messenger app, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the lines to access the main menu. Step 3. Inside the main menu, locate and tap on the gear icon. This represents the settings option. Step 4. Tap on Privacy and Safety in the settings menu. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Safety section, find and tap on Story Controls. Step 6. Tap on Hide Story From to specify the accounts you want to hide your stories from. Step 7. Select the accounts you wish to hide your stories from. You can choose one or multiple accounts. Step 8. Finally, tap on Apply to save your settings. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your story from specific accounts in Messenger, ensuring your privacy and control over who sees your stories. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to hide your story from specific accounts in Messenger. Share your stories confidently, knowing that they are visible only to the intended audience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you hide your story from specific accounts in Messenger. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.